Good afternoon guys, and welcome to Arboleas on this absolutely beautiful and sizzling March afternoon. It's the last day of March and it's 28 degrees, and I'm going to take you for a wander around the unique Villa Blossom located in La Perla. An absolutely beautiful, it's a lovely blend of kind of modern villa and Spanish Hacienda style property, full of all the mod cons but lots of wonderful character features, and this genuinely is a unique property. There's a 10x5 pool in front of us there, and you can see this enormous wrap-round glass curtained conservatory that runs off of the kitchen. All of those wonderful doors slide across. Now this is going to be a long one because there's such a lot to cover, because this property, you know, offers an awful lot in terms of living space. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, but could easily be a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom. You'll see what I mean in a minute. And what I'm going to do now is take a wander around the outbuildings and the gardens before we go and take a look inside. Now it's situated in the La Perla area on a larger than average, very, very private corner garden. And just to my left here, you've got electric double opaque access gates and a pedestrian gate, and they lead you up, as you can see there, to a very large garage with water and electricity connected. Loving this covered open porch to the front door there. I'm sure you'll hear the rustle of the palms, but I've got to show you these because they're absolutely beautiful. And I was just filming from that part of the garden where you've got a lovely fruit grove with kind of oranges, lemons and other assorted fruits. And then here you can see the access gates, the pedestrian and the double electric. Now coming on past the garage, you join onto an expansive sunbathing terrace sun deck that encircles the entire 10x5 pool. You can see with lovely side steps there. And then right in front of you, this glorious guest apartment. Now this is a very, very large bedroom with a separate bathroom as well. So we're going to take a wander in there, and then tucked around the back of the property there you can see an enormous timber shed, and go past that and you'll see there's some further double access gates, ideal for if you've got a motorhome or a caravan or something like that. So coming round by the guest apartment, beautiful timber shed, and the terracing, as you can see, continues. And then down to the end there, and a further set of double gates that lead into a wonderful off-street, very private and secure parking area. It's wonderful listening to the kind of light breeze rustling through the palms, but it's not so good on the audio, I appreciate, so sorry for that guys. But here you can get a look from the conservatory from the inside. We'll do another one once we're inside the villa. And garage over there to my left, pool immediately in front, and the guest apartments, the bunk room, grandkids spillover. The property is absolutely ideal. You know, if you're a large family, going to get lots of visitors. There's not many villas in La Perla that afford this luxury. And let's have a wander on inside. So you come into a very, very big room, full air conditioning out here. 1, 2 single beds and a bunk bed at the back there, and absolutely glorious. This sits alongside the swimming pool, and then as well as the bedroom you've got a very, very good sized bathroom. Here, let's go and take a quick squint in the garage for you now. But again, you know, there's no need really for a garage here, and I don't think this property needs any further kind of living accommodation, but if you wanted to, that could easily be turned into a wonderful kind of second guest cottage, because you've got the water and electric all connected. So there we go, inside the garage. Now you've got a kind of backup water deposit, a water softening system, and a filtration pump in here stored. But again, if you wanted to convert this into some kind of accommodation, those could easily be moved and housed somewhere else. little pan round from this side and then we'll go and take a look-see indoors. So moving along to the interior, and what I forgot to mention when I came in on the outside, the quality of this build is absolutely outstanding. You've got guttering, you've got stone cladding around the base perimeter of marble topping, lots of extras incorporated. And we've now come through the front door there into this glorious living room. You can see this cream marble surround fireplace housing the wood burner there, air conditioning, sunken spots, ceiling fans. And the arched access to the left over there goes through to 2 bedrooms on this floor. Very good design feature, that bedroom's on the lower floor, divided by a good sized central bathroom. A quick whiz round from this side so you can get an idea of the layout. So the front door there, beautiful marble stairs leading up to the master suite. Storage cupboard. Dining area, and then on out to the very spacious and beautifully appointed kitchen. But we'll take a look at the bedrooms first. As I said, 2 bedrooms on this floor, divided by this lovely shared bathroom. And they're both very, very good sized doubles. This one has air conditioning, as does this one. 2 singles in here, but easily room for a large double bed. Now we'll take a wander out into the fabulous kitchen, replete with beautiful polished granite worktops. These are hardwood units, so very, very high quality. Drinking water system installed in here. You can see double doors that lead out onto that absolutely glorious conservatory. We'll pop out there in a sec. So built-in electric ovens, 4-ring gas hob. Very sensible thing. There's a ceiling fan out here as well, so helps in the hotter months. I don't know if you can hear my joints cracking, but I've just come from playing paddle and it was a particularly tough game and I'm seizing up a bit, so sorry for that. Now out into the beautiful conservatory, and you can see triple bank of ceiling fans there, these glorious wood ceilings. Look at the size of this room. I mean, you know, the kind of options are limitless, really. You could easily get a pool table out here, additional patio sets. I mean, I'm sitting at a large dining table now filming this, and there's room for another 2 of these at least if you wanted to. And then it continues off round to the right where you've got some fridges and stuff installed. So, you know, a perfect bar area as well. Just a look from this end for you. As I'm filming this, you know, I'm just kind of thinking of all the options. It's always been used as a second home. So I said, I think right at the beginning, this is ideal for anyone with looking for something quite unique, very different, very high quality, but who've got a large family. You could kind of have the main villa and set up to self-contained guest apartments, perhaps like as an Airbnb or something like this. You know, there's a whole host of options, and the cogs are whirring in my brain as to all of them, but I'm sure you can think of some more. Absolutely cooking as I'm filming this. Out in the conservatory there, obviously the fans haven't been on and it's 28, 29 degrees outside, so I don't expect that in March, but gonna take it. Let's go and have a wander upstairs, guys, shall we, and have a look at the master suite. So up, beautiful arch window here, polished marble stairs, and you can see a wonderful vaulted ceiling here. And this leads us up to a nice landing area. And at the top of the stairs, the doors to the left go into the master bedroom, and that door there leads out to a beautiful, around 32 metres, I think, kind of conservatory, office bureau. Another could be the 5th bedroom, I don't know. But there's also a second door off the master bedroom, so you can go off the master bedroom and off the landing out to that space. So coming into the master bedroom, and look at those gorgeous arch windows. I love those. What a feature. Very, very good size room. I mean, that's a Super King. Door to my left over there is a nice walk-in wardrobe, and then an ensuite bathroom. And I don't know if you can see that, but absolutely gorgeous views from all of these bedroom windows here. And there's the second set of doors going out to the conservatory relaxation room. You can see the ensuite bathroom through there as well. And now out here, and I absolutely love this room. So versatile. I mean, you know, great big office bureau, further relaxation area, 5th bedroom, massive bedroom. And all of these windows slide back. There's sliding fly screen so it can be open or shut. And just beautiful aspects from up here. Nice tiling scheme running through. And just over to the right there, you can see the access points back into the bedroom and then into the landing area. So there you have it, Villa Blossom. An absolute privilege to get to market and list this beautiful property. Literally 12 minutes walk from Arboleas Centre, easy walk through citrus groves. Full details will appear in the link below very shortly. And if you'd like to arrange a viewing, or you'd like further information, get in touch via the normal channels. KhalidaHomes@hotmail.com. Give us a call, +34 950 430 763, and we'd be delighted to hear from you. Have a great weekend, guys.